Okay, let's add a few moving averages to the charts and configure their settings. You have to go to the indicators panel and search here moving, and you get all the results with moving. Or you just press the slash button, takes you to indicators, go to technicals, search, and you have simple moving average and exponential moving average. Let's add two SMAs actually. Go here in the indicators legend. You can hide it and show it. Go to settings and type here 30. This is one of my systems. Go to the other SMA, 50, and make this EMA 10. So you can see the moving averages here, but they look like the same color. So let's change the colors. Go to style, click here. Let's make this one yellow with 2 out of 4 thickness and press OK. Let's make the longer one reddish. And let's make the EMA purple. And now you have 3 moving averages on the chart. If you click on monthly, daily, 4 hour, the moving averages transfer to the time frame that you choose. However, if you go back to settings and go to visibility, you can change where a moving average shows. So if I uncheck weeks and months here and days and weeks here, you can see how you can choose which moving average to take in which time frame. And in the legend, you can see that the I is crossed out, but if you click on it, you can change it easily. You can also change the style of the line. You go back to settings, go to style, and you see if you click on step line with breaks, histogram, you see that the whole indicator, the MA, changes. So obviously play with this, choose how you want it to show. The price line here is literally this dashed line in the back. If you uncheck it, it disappears. So this is the quick and dirty on how to add moving averages. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks.